Welcome. Today we will learn how to enjoy maths and master it. So let's start. Do you want to enjoy maths? If yes, then you are at right place. First, let's know what is maths all about. It's all about just division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and yes, most important is your interest. Without your interest you cannot learn maths. I will give you some steps to make maths more interesting. Step number 1. Start practicing maths every day. Difficult for you, it may be, but don't give up. At beginning, start with at least 20 minutes of revision, then you can increase your revision time gradually. It will have the following effects on you. It will increase your logical thinking. It means you will be able to calculate maths in your mind with a fun, and you will like to do more equations of maths. If your logical thinking increases, then maths becomes more enjoyable and interesting. 2. You will start loving maths. It's natural, the more time you spend you start to like it. So if you want to fall in love, let it be with maths. Step number 2. Maintain notebooks for maths. Maintain all your maths books for school, or tuition, or revision. Because if you don't maintain your notes, then you may be lost on what are you doing, and you will start hating maths. So maintain all your notes perfectly and neatly on your book. By doing this you will understand easily what are you doing, and you will start loving maths and enjoying it. Step number 3. Make a list of all maths formulas. After making that list, stick it somewhere where you can see it easily and clearly every day. By doing this you will start remembering formulas. And you will not have to crumb formulas to remember it. Just see that list every day and read formulas at least once. This will make maths fun for you. Step number 4. Ignore all people who distract and demotivate you from doing maths. Don't listen to anyone if they say that you cannot do maths. If you take their words seriously, then you will start thinking negative. And maths will become difficult for you. So if anybody says you bad about your maths, then just ignore them, and show them what you are capable to do. Step number 5. If you are doing many mistakes in maths equations, then don't get worried. Because many scientific researches have proved that, whenever we make a mistake in maths, our mind gets more developed. So your mistakes today will make you more powerful tomorrow. And your mistakes today will make you perfect tomorrow. So accept all your mistakes proudly. These were 5 steps to make maths more interesting. Hope you watched and remembered all steps, and will follow them. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.